Hi, everybody. I am Mario A. Baterna, Provincial Director of the Province of Zamboanga, Sibugay, giving you the highlights of this week's Layak Waves, all the way from Zamboanga, Sibugay.
On July 9 to 10, 2025, all barangay Badaks in Diplahan underwent a reorientation on general intervention and a community-based drug rehabilitation program or CBDRP, achieving 100% participation. The activity aimed to strengthen grassroots anti-drug efforts and ensure effective coordination with law enforcement. On July 10, 2025, LGU Diplahan, led by Mayor Attorney Eric Y. Palma, conducted an executive briefing with department heads to launch the municipality's 2025-2028 priority agenda, aligning local goals with national priorities through evidence-based planning and collaborative governance. On July 7, 2025, DILG Diplahan conducted an orientation for the Sangguniang Bayan on the roles and responsibilities under the Local Government Code, emphasizing quality legislation, transparency, and their vital role in promoting good governance and local development. On July 7, 2025, DILG Zamboanga Sibugay conducted its fifth KX engagement to orient field officers on conducting executive briefings under the NEO Plus program, reinforcing their capacity to support newly elected officials through continuous learning and collaboration.
Again, this is Mario A. Baterna. See you guys next week.